Here's what I want to do. I have my piece of material in. This is basically a 2" by 3.5. So it's a, if you will, a 1x4 board cut down. And I'm just going to standardize a 2 by 3.5 or a 2" by 3.5" block here. And whether we do aluminum or wood, that's just going to be how we're set. When we look at our controller here, you can see all these different processes that we're going to go through, but our work coordinate offset is right at the center. So what I really want to do is set up my probe in order to do this. Now, I could do the edges and find 0. However, what I'd like to do is I already know that this is a rectangular piece. And if I do this one, finding center, right? Find the rectangular boss. That's essentially what we're doing. So I have this set probably about 3 or 4 millimeters below the top so that it'll bump into it. We're going to go ahead and click on Find Center. Now you'll notice that I had this in terms of my feed rate much slower. And I did that just to make sure that as I was going around, I didn't collide into my tool holder. That's why I have my stop fence right here. This gives me a little bit more peace of mind, especially working with students, that I don't have crashes going back and forth, especially on this frame into these tools. So as we look at that, I want to be real careful about my spindle head here and how it works. And then once I'm good, I can go ahead and hit that 100% feed rate, and that'll go through the whole process. So we just found the center. Now all I have to do is come back and do my Z. So here's what I want to do. I've lifted my Z-axis over the tip up. I'm probably about, again, 4 or 5 millimeters above the wood material. What I've done is I've typed in a G1, meaning we're going to move to X0, Y0. We're just going to go F500 millimeters a minute. I want to make sure at the student's eyeball, or I want to eyeball, am I exactly in the center? So I'm going to go ahead and hit enter. Fantastic. I'm going to eyeball that, and that's what I want the students to do. You may want them to do the same thing. Have them eyeball, say, hey, does that really look like center? And if so, then that's fantastic. I'm going to go back to my probe. I'm going to go ahead and find my Z. And there we go. So now I have everything prepped based off of my probe, and I can go ahead and do a G30. I'm up and out of the way. I'll disconnect my cord. I will take my probe out, and then I will start to double check my rack for what I have there and what I need.